Hi guys, welcome to Little Learning Corner. So today is a little different. As you can tell, we are not in our usual spot. Not at all, because we moved. We moved to North Carolina. And today I wanted to share with you our Easter crafts that we had made, but all of the Easter crafts that we made are in boxes packed away somewhere. So what we're gonna do today is we are gonna just show you the pictures of the 5 different crafts that we made. What do you have?
Chocolate baby bunny.
The chocolate baby bunny was not a craft.
Yeah, it was.
Here it goes. Enjoy these 5 easy crafts for Easter. All right, so those were your 5 easy crafts for Easter. I hope that you all have a wonderful Easter and try to enjoy it the best that you can, although I'm sure all of you are in quarantine and locked up like the rest of us. So make the best of it, have fun with these crafts, and hit the button to subscribe to see videos in the future where we're actually doing the crafts. This one was just a little bit different. So thanks for all of your support. Happy Easter, and we will see you later. Bye.